What up, guys, and welcome back. And I went to Petco. I ended up picking up some fish. Well, not fish. I went to Petco to literally look for dog food. Sometimes they have a sale. So I went there to check, and well, they didn't. But I ended up picking something else up that I wasn't planning on getting, and they were actually golden rabbit snails. Literally just came in, and I said, you know what? I'll take them. What's it called? Don't even put them. You don't even have to put them in the system. Just give me the way they is. I'll take all of them. And yeah, so I'm right now taking them home. What's it called? I didn't record inside the store, but again, I wasn't planning on buying anything. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the tank that I'm gonna put them in, as well as how I'm planning on taking care of them and why I got them. This is a purely economical move. This is an investment. I'm not caring about the looks or anything else other than the fact that hopefully I can get these guys to reproduce. Stay tuned. So I'm gonna be actually adding them into an aquarium down here. I'm gonna be putting a brand new 10-gallon aquarium. Well, not brand new, but a new one to me. I'm gonna be putting them in here and setting them up. But I'm gonna be using the water from this aquarium. So I'm gonna actually let them float here. Like so. So I put the aquarium here. I don't have much room to play with, but I do have it enough to get to the back, and that's what counts. But yeah, again, like that's what matters the most, so I can actually reach back there. I want to see if I could actually slide this in a little bit more. Still being able to reach, that's fair. Everything is sturdy. This is just a piece of 2x4 I have. As long as all four corners are touching, we're good. So we're filling it up right now, as we speak. Actually, push this in just a little bit, just to be flush. Should have snapped that up, but this is temporary anyway. Threw in a sponge filter as well, and I'll let that finish filling up. So basically, this is the setup. It's plain simple, reused water. But yeah, plants, and then just these guys. Almost done acclimating, and then we'll let them go in there. Okay, it's time to release them into the aquarium down there. Let me see if we can get a close-up foil for these bad boys. Total of 7 of them. Douche. All in there. Hopefully they do well. And yeah, golden rabbit snails. Anyway, let me tell you about the plants that I bought these for. These trumpet snails are great because they go with my aquarium water. They're easy to take care of. They don't repopulate as fast as those annoying bladder snails or anything like that. And they're expensive. They're $8.99 each at Petco. I don't even know how much they are online, but at Petco itself, they're at $8.99. So if I were to sell them at $5 a piece, I'd be happy. So yeah, and hopefully I get to repopulate and sell them and add to my store or a collection of fish and aquatic pets that I could sell. Anyway, that's basically the reasons why I kept them. Now they're pretty hardy. They take care of, I think, in pHs of 6 to 7. Levels of 6 to 7 pH levels, and temperature is good anywhere between 65 to all the way up to like almost 80. So they'll be fine in there. They don't hurt fish, they don't eat other snails, etc., anything like that. You just have to be careful with other fish that could basically swallow them, which won't be as easy because they are pretty big. So anyway, yeah, the plan is grow them out, breed them out, and sell them. That is the plan for them. They are right now in a 10-gallon aquarium. Hopefully they do well, and if they do, you'll see them on my eBay page or my website I'm trying to build. Anyway, peace. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully I see you in the next video.